Be sure to watch Sitare every week to catch your favorite star profiles, celebrity interviews, community events, and more.
सितारे टीवी सितारे टीवी सितारे टीवी
सितारे टीवी।
नमस्कार, प्रणाम, सत श्री अकाल, वनकम। आप हैं कुपरटन लाइब्रेरी में, कम्युनिटी हॉल में। आप हैं sunflowermagic.net के साथ और आज हमने मनाया इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ वुमेन। बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब सारी सखियां, सहेलियां, सारी लेडीज़ मिल के दिखाती हैं शक्ति। जी हाँ, उसकी दुआ का रंग कोई धो नहीं सकता, ममता के बीज और कोई बो नहीं सकता। रहमान हो, सुल्तान हो, भगवान हो, भले माँ से बड़ा दुनिया में कोई हो नहीं सकता। आइए मिलते हैं सनफ्लावर मैजिक, जो कि वर्क करती है सीनियर्स के लिए। अगर आप किसी प्रकार जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ कनेक्ट विद अस sunflowermagic.net। आपसे आज की मुलाकात यहीं तक। थैंक यू सितारे टीवी, थैंक यू पूनम बजाज जी फॉर सपोर्टिंग अस। आपने बिल्कुल निस्वार्थ भाव से हमें सपोर्ट किया है। गॉड ब्लेस यू, शाइन, कीप रॉकिंग सितारे टीवी एंड वी आर ऑलवेज हियर विद यू। बे एरिया का सबसे चमकता, दमकता, महकता चैनल सितारे टीवी। जय हिंद। आइए आपको दिखाते हैं आज हमने क्या क्या अचीव किया, आज की हाइलाइट्स हमारे साथ। चलिए देखते हैं sunflowermagic.net में ऑन इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ वुमेन टुडेज हाइलाइट्स।
छूटा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। बादल पे गाँव है, या छूटा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है।
Be sure to like us on Facebook and do not forget to subscribe to our Sitare TV YouTube channel, SITAARRE. Subscribe and click on the bell icon.
Lord,
sunflower face the sun when it is there, but when there's no sun, we face each other to get energy. So yes, I know I'm energy. I'll make my space. Yeah. Okay, perfect. They are very, they're very powerful. This is called powerful women. When you make space for yourself and allow nobody else to come in front of you, even if it's no.
Deserve all this, and what woman is capable of, many women have proved. Yes. Here we are having a smaller sample, but they are, चलती रहेंगी, चलती रहेंगी, चलती रहेंगी. So, जीते हैं चल.
जीते हैं चल. क्या बात है, बहुत सुंदर. It's all like.
खुशियों की मिली है वजह, कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है. कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है.
अच्छे कर्मों के बीच यही अपने बच्चों में बोती है, उनके आने वाले कल की बुनियाद यही तो होती है. माँ से ये सृष्टि चलती है, सृष्टि का माँ से नाता है, क्या अर्थ है नारी होने का, ये माँ बन के समझ में आता है. Thank you so much for bringing strong, powerful girls in our community. Appreciate it. Thank you, girls. All the best for your future. We'll see you next year again. Okay? I saw her name not in my community, but when I first entered Costco, there was something Indian. I was very happy. But the first time I saw something, a samosa, a chicken butter masala, a cuisine of Indian name, I was wow. Who is this? And I saw a name, Sukhi's Kitchen. Now, and I'm so happy and proud today that she is our chief guest today, and she made things happen from not today but years ahead. Welcoming, ladies and gentlemen, my own inspiration, Miss Sukhi Singh.
Mainly, I came here to tell you a little bit about my journey and how everybody can do it. It's not me. It's only that you have to have a passion. And my passion was to bring Indian flavors to the American table. And I started with, you'll be surprised, when I started this journey, I was minus $70,000. And we had lost our money in a business venture we had done in Oakland. And then that business venture that I lost money on, I call it my business school. It taught me all the things I should not do. And so, like, I was in a location business. I was waiting for my customers to come in. The first lesson I learned was, do not do a business in which you are waiting for your customer to walk in through the door. Go to be able to go out and do your customer. So then when I started this, I was told, oh, you need a commercial kitchen. You cannot do this from your house. So commercial kitchens, I found out, were expensive, and they were like $30 an hour, and then you had to pay for storage, and I didn't have that money. We had lost all our money. So then I said, okay, I still need to, you don't take no for an answer. I said, I have to find a way to do this. So I found a restaurant in Richmond which wasn't doing well. And I went to them and I said, I'll come in the afternoon and use your kitchen. And so all the licenses and everything was there. And I had that arrangement for them. And for about 8 months, I made my product there and then took it out to sell it to other places. So don't take no for an answer. Go out there and find a way that you can work around it. You will find the answer. Entrepreneurship is not just creating a product and selling it. It's about resilience, learning from failures, and continuously pushing boundaries. As women, we often say face unique challenges. And one of the biggest challenges that we Indian women face is that we have to run the house according to the Indian culture, and then go out there and be one with everybody else over here. And I think a lot of people have managed to do that. To have a happy household, to have happy children, and to have a happy husband. And do all this is challenging, but we all find a way of doing it. So, आप लोग के लिए भी मैं ये बोलती हूँ कि ऐसा कुछ करें, because now I have this wheels, free meals on wheels running in Sandermont, and all the older ladies are there. They come and they help to cook and they help to pack, and Kavalji knows she's there. And we distribute the food. In 3 hours, we have made 500 meals and shipping them out. So find something like this for yourselves, which keeps your mind active and young. And over your years of experience in anything, you will find your solutions to whatever problems you come. So thank you, Archana, and I hope it has some meaning to you what I told you. Sure. But yeah.
Very well said. I mean, as always, as usual, it's very inspiring. I want all the chief guests to please come. Neelam ji, Madhulika ji, if you are around, Madhulika Singh ji, Lakshmi ji, please come. We would love to award our featured guests on together. Please come. Neelam ji, are you? Lakshmi, I saw you. Lakshmi, are you here? Yeah, please come, please come. They all have their own landmarks. Madhulika Singh ji, she's the founder of Preet Rang Sanctuary. I mean, she takes care of so many animals we can't even think of. And that also who are in the verge, on the brink of, in a risk factor. And she has a sanctuary around 1 hour away. I'll talk about Lakshmi ji and Neelam ji also, but here. And here's special some sweets for you, because you fill everybody's life with sweetness. You can please, yeah, small token of appreciation. हम तो क्या दे सकते हैं? वो कहते हैं सूरज रोशनी दे आपको, चंदा चांदनी दे आपको, हम तो कुछ भी देने के काबिल नहीं, देने वाला हर खुशी दे आपको. Thank you, thank you. We hear from Madhulika ji.
She has the right thing to say. Yes. It's amazing.
वो कहते हैं हर सुबह उठने की एक वजह ढूंढनी चाहिए. I mean, we all live. जानवर भी खाते पीते सोते रहते हैं, लेकिन हम इंसान मुस्कुराना जानते हैं, सोचना जानते हैं, and कुछ ऐसे रखिए. As I say that, what is the last time that you did something for the first time? कुछ zing spark, एक flavor रखिए life में, ताकि आप जब सुबह उठें, you excite feel करें. That's all we do in Sunflower Magic. We listen to more. Just we had एक छोटा सा हमने flavor सुखी जी का सुना. We listen to all the heroes. But here are our chief guests. एक बार तालियां जोरदार for all the great ladies. Thank you very much. Thank you. एक बार मैं before I forget, we have a wonderful media person with us, पूनम जी, पूनम बजाज जी. पूनम जी सामने आइए एक बार please आइए. पूनम जी के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. She always helps us in all the events. She is a woman. जैसे मैंने कहा कि she started on her own. करीब 2 decades, 20 years she has been mastering ruling the media field. And kudos to Sitare TV and kudos to Poonam ji who never let anything down in spite of so many hurdles. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे पूनम जी?
Thank you for appreciating me.
Thank you very much. वो कहते हैं ना, परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी यकीनन, ये फैले हुए उनके पर बोलते हैं, वही लोग रहते हैं खामोश अक्सर जमाने में जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for being with us all the time.
कोमल है कमजोर नहीं तू, शक्ति का नाम ही नारी.
sure to like us on Facebook and do not forget to subscribe to our Sitare TV YouTube channel. SITAARRE. Subscribe and click on the bell icon.
And good morning, everybody. Thank you very much for being here to celebrate International Women's Day.
I have a bachelor's degree from BITS Pilani, and I have 3 master's degrees from Yale University, University of Michigan Ann Arbor, and Washington University in St. Louis, Missouri. Now that was a totally unplanned part of my life. I wasn't planning on it, but it happened. And after my BITS degree, I was the first female graduate engineering trainee at Telco Jamshedpur, which was then the largest auto industry in India. And then after my master's degree at Yale in electrical engineering and electronics, I got a job at General Motors, which was then the largest corporation on the planet, not just in the USA. So that for me is a very joyful accomplishment, if you call it. And actually in this room, everybody is a very accomplished person. So I cannot say that I have any pearls of wisdom or advice. All I can say is I have one compassionate plea from you, which I will express to you later. So my early career was mostly hardware and software design and development, like kind of 99.9% Indians in the United States. And then I switched over to customer support and escalation, and I worked at companies like Xerox, Oracle, and then finally from Cisco. From Cisco, it was a very planned decision to start transitioning into my out of the Grihastha life, which is what is prescribed to Hindus. First 25 years of brahmacharya followed that, then 25 years of Grihastha followed that, and it was a plan, but the toughest decision of my career to get out of my comfort zone, to give up a job where we had built, senior leadership. But, as is the very logical in the Hindu way of living, the 4 ashrams of life. So I decided to transition out, find a job that will be less demanding and time consuming, and then give back to society. So life changed a lot, because at first I thought we would be supporting the girl child in India for education, and also out here I used to volunteer at the role model program for underserved communities, and they actually look for people of color, for women, for immigrants who within one generation have come here with very powerful education and build their lives, because they want to encourage students to stay in school and possibly go to college. So because I was very involved in non-formal education centers in India and the role model program here, we thought that we would just continue doing the same thing, and to be able to support education, it needs a lot of money. So the plan was to continue working till the last day of my life, but again, very unplanned, but blessed by my guru. We started Preeti Ram Sanctuary, and we had thought that we will retire with maybe 15, 20, 25 cows, rejected cows who can no longer produce milk. Again, cows have a very special place among the Hindus. They are sacred, they are considered mothers. But when they cannot produce milk, they are rejected. They are left out on the streets to eat garbage and die from eating garbage. And even in America, the conditions are not very good for animals. In fact, India, we don't eat beef, but we feed the whole world beef. We are the largest exporters of beef. We do not breed cows for beef, but we have such a dairy-rich diet that the cows we produce for dairy end up being exported as for beef to the whole world. We are usually the first, second, or the third largest producers of beef. So let's think about it. We are Hindus. We say we worship cows. I request you, please don't worship cows, but please live and let live. And though we had decided that we will retire with about 20, 25 cows, again, an unplanned decision happened. That is, people started calling us about so many animals that needed to be saved from torture, from neglect, from abuse, from slaughter, that we ended up keeping chicken, roosters who were saved from rooster fighting, which is illegal. We have goats, we have sheep, and we have cows. 2 of them have 3 legs. So they were going to be shot at birth because they're useless. So now coming to International World Day, and days like International World Day, Mother's Day, and even the Me Too movement leave me feeling a sense of hollowness. How many of us have heard of the Me Too movement and supported it very rigorously? Me Too? And how many of us later on criticize the movement for its inadequacy? How many of us? What is the inadequacy? It focuses a lot on white women, and it focuses on women who are richer and can speak against the abuse done to them. There are a lot of abused women who can't even breathe out the word of "I'm abused" because they are with their abuser. So, also in today's world, we are not binary genders. We are not just male and female. There are many, between male and female, there's a whole spectrum of genders. So when we say Women's Day or Men's Day, there are a lot of people who are being excluded from this. How many of us have thought about it? Yeah, it's a very important thought. And the Me Too movement that's why inadequate. To me, the International Women's Day and Mother's Day are also inadequate because we call cows our mother. Do we think of them on Mother's Day or International Women's Day? And you know what? They are not sexploited or abused by others of their own kind, of their own species. We, human beings, are the sexploiters and the abusers of all living beings on this planet. We call ourselves human beings. I call us Homo sapiens because it's very difficult for me to call us human beings. The people I live with, my Preeti Rang family, is a family of animals who would not have lived but for having been saved and brought here. For every animal who's saved and living happily here, there are thousands upon thousands who are dying and living and dying horrible deaths in animal farms. Animal farm sanctuaries are female sexploitation and male destruction. Girls, the mother and child are separated at birth. A mother cow and her calf are separated at birth. They can see each other, they call out to each other, they cry for each other, but they are separated. The boys are let to die because they will not produce milk. The girls, they are put back into the cycle from anywhere between 12 to 15 months. Each year she's impregnated forcibly. Actually, the equipment is called a rape rack. They're actually they're packed together so they can't even move and run in pain. And my veterinarian has a bandage on his hand from the pain of artificially inseminating these girls. So can you imagine how painful it must be on their soft tissues? I want us to be able to think of them, not just give them lip service as mother cow, sacred cow. I will encourage each one of you to please look into how dairy is produced, how eggs are produced, and even how honey is produced. These things do not grow on plants. So when I hear I'm a pure Brahmin, I am pure vegetarian, but then on which plant did you find milk or honey or eggs? These are not plant-based. I would really request all of you to try a plant-based diet for just 30 days. See how good you feel. You may not want to go back. In the case of human beings, we can choose or not choose our actions. We say we have free will. We are very proud of our free will. But how are we using our free will is also very important. And actually, I pray to God. I want to be born in every life. I want to be a woman. I want to be a Hindu. I want to be born in India. And I want 2 additional qualities. I say, take away my free will, but give.
Be sure to like us on Facebook and do not forget to subscribe to our Sitare TV YouTube channel. SITAARRE. Subscribe and click on the bell icon.
Charlie the
Hello everyone, my name is Ayushi Singh and I'm currently a sophomore at Irvington High School in Fremont. So today we are able to learn from so many successful women, Indian women who are all truly inspiring. But in this speech, I want to shift your perspective to one of a teenage girl living in this generation. So women empowerment means knowing that we can do anything that we put our minds to. It doesn't matter how old we are or how we look, but every woman should have the chance to succeed. Every girl has dreams, talents, and ideas that are important. Whether it's becoming a doctor, an artist, a scientist, or a leader, we are all capable of reaching those goals. Especially in high school, when deciding a career is at an all-time high, we shouldn't let anyone tell us that we can't, just because we're girls. I think the most obvious topic to cover for teenage girls is the impact of social media on women empowerment today. On one hand, it's such an amazing way to connect with others, to share ideas, and even to lift each other up. But on the other hand, it makes us girls feel like we're not enough, because we see edited pictures, perfect lives, and comparisons everywhere. And it's not easy to think that we can live up to those expectations. We have to remember to not measure our worth by likes or followers, but rather who we are behind the screen. We also need to remind ourselves that as women, our setbacks and mistakes, they don't make us weak, but they make us a woman. So to every woman out there, you are enough as you are. You are strong, you are valuable, and you have everything inside of you to succeed, and to succeed in your dreams. Thank you.
And Lakshmi to please award this young girl with a crown because she came on her own without any preparation. I was very impressed by her strength. Wonderful. Talia Zumdar for a young star.
Be sure to like us on Facebook and do not forget to subscribe to our Sitare TV YouTube channel. SITAARRE. Subscribe and click on the bell icon.
Namaskar to everybody. Today we bring in front of you a poem
which was written by one of the greatest Hindi poets. His name Harivansh Rai Ji Bachchan. He is all his poetry is so good. We picked one of them.
लहरों से डर कर नौका पार नहीं होती,
लहरों से डर कर नौका पार नहीं होती,
कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती।
नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना खरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना खरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने
वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। दुनिया सिंधु में गोता खार लगाता है, जा जा कर खाली हाथ लौट कर आता है। मिलते नहीं सहज ये मोती गहरे पानी में, बढ़ता दुगना उत्साह किसी हैरानी में, बढ़ता दुगना उत्साह किसी हैरानी में। मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती, मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती।
असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो, क्या कमी रह गई है देखो और सुधार करो।
जब तक ना सफल हो, जब तक ना सफल हो, नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम।
कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कुछ किए सीने की आग जीने की हिम्मत पता चली, शर्तों पे तेरी बिकने से इनकार कर दिया, तब जाके अपने आप की कीमत पता चली। अपना रास्ता बनाएं, ये हम हमेशा कहते हैं। आप किसी भी दौर में हो, किसी भी उम्र में हो, प्लीज फाइंड समथिंग, फाइंड योर इकिगाई, आपका पैशन, एंड यू विल श्योरली हैव अ मच बेटर थॉट प्रोसेस। आपका वैक्यूम का चला जाएगा।
sure to watch Sitare every week to catch your favorite star profiles, celebrity interviews, community events, and more.
Sitare TV. Sitare TV. Sitare TV.
Sitare TV.